Lorraine study bit by so that I can comply in the funds. So I decided to start with these minis and minis. So these all challenges from other channels here on YouTube. They are for free from the Okufi. Yes, Okufi. So I'm going to and complete these challenges so you can see how much I will save. So I'm gonna start these from the beginning of November. So you just save all the 10 rands. So these challenges, the 10s I'm going to use to complete these challenges. So before we can go further, here I have my A6 binder, which is the one that I'm to use for these minis and tiny challenges. And then this my budget binder that I made, but this one it was for this year, so I'm going to make another one for next year, which is the year 2026. And then I have these beautiful 1 to 6 covers. I also got them from one of the channels or one of the ladies who's doing the budget with me, savings challenges with me here on YouTube. So I'm using these ones 1 up to 6 so that I can put in the challenge in my binder. So let us pack my A6 binder with me. This is an A6 binder. The dividers. So I'm going to have like 1 up at 6. Okay. 1. Yes. The last one, which is number 6. So this pocket I'm going to use it for as the bank for these challenges. So every time when I complete one challenge, I'm going to set it aside, then pull another challenge from this bank or this divide. So I'm going to change over them. Now I'm going to start with these tinies. These are the minis. I'm going to start with these tinies. I'm going to put each tiny in 1 up until 6. So when I'm done with each challenge, let's say this one is done, I'm going to take the mini. I'm going to take the mini and replace the tiny. If the mini is done or finished, I'm done with the mini, or now I'm going to pull out the tiny again. So I'm going to interchange them just like that. So these challenges, I think I'm going to do them every Mondays, starting from next week Monday. As I've said, I'm going to start these challenges from next month. So yeah, now let's see, we have one. This one is going in the pocket 1. Remember I said I'm going to start with the tinies 1, and then 2, these little pieces in here, and then 3, C, this apple pie, and then 4, let's have this Ohama, and then 5 creams, and then the last one, let me see, this one. So in the tinies, like this, each circle is going to represent 20 rand or 10 rand, we'll see, but in the minis, like these ones, each cloud is going to represent 10 rand, each square is going, each head is going to represent 10 hairs and so forth, ne? So yeah, I'm happy to join the budgeting channels. I'm happy to join like everyone I'm happy to join who's saving. I'm now going to be part of savings challenges, whereby now I'm going to be held. I will know that now I have a responsibility, so that you guys held a responsibility of me to make sure that I complete all the challenges. We're gonna go ups and downs with the challenges, so please subscribe, see more of these savings challenges or the budget with me. I don't know if I'm gonna do the budget with me videos, but yeah, but the savings, I'm going to do them.